Greetings, grade 6 students. Welcome to our online English class. Today is writing, and today's lesson focuses on taking notes. Before we begin, I'd like you to have with you your Readers and Writers English textbook, English copybook, as well as your pen. Thank you. And before answering all the pages related to this lesson, I'd like you to finish watching this video and watch other related video links related to our lesson. Our main objectives for today's lesson: identify the importance and usefulness of note-taking skills in real-world contexts, evaluate the accuracy and efficiency of various note-taking strategies, develop and define a personalized note-taking strategy, and utilize it during instruction. Let's define and explore. What is note-taking? Note-taking involves making the permanent written record of main points and supporting details to which one may refer later. Although note-taking most commonly is used to record oral presentations, note-taking strategies may also be used to record notes from the written sources. Note-taking involves recording ideas and facts that you learned in class to help you remember and use them later. The 5 R's of note-taking are as follows: record, reduce, recite, reflect, and review. Again, I'm going to repeat the 5 R's: record, reduce, recite, reflect, and review. Why take notes? Further, note-taking stimulates critical thinking skills. Note-taking helps students remember what is said in the class. And a good set of notes can help students work on assignments and prepare for tests outside of the classroom. These are the possible reasons why we take notes. Why take notes again? As I have said a while ago, it involves or it stimulates critical thinking, remember what is said in class, prepares for tests outside the classroom, and also good notes allow students to help each other problem solve. Good notes help students organize and process data and information. And also it helps students recall by getting them to process their notes 3 times. Why take notes again? There are possible reasons classified as A, B, C, and D. A, useful record. B, helps writing. C, helps understanding. And D, helps memory. And of course, the last one helps exam revision. If I'm not mistaken, I already explained this one, but let's try to read it one more time. When we say useful record of important points for future use of where the information comes from, helps writing, helps ideas flow, helps planning, you can see what information you have, assist organization, you can rearrange and renumber notes in a new way, or it helps you get started. It helps understanding how, if you focus on selecting information to note, if you think through where everything fits. Next, it helps memory. Summing or summarizing things up briefly helps long-term memory. The act of writing helps motor memory. Third, pattern notes can be more memorable visually. And the last one, it helps exam revision. Material is well organized. More information is already in memory. Star note taking. Star, S means set up your paper. T, take notes. A, add to your notes. And R, review your notes. You can go through with this star note taking by yourself. Read it and understand it very well because they're self-explanatory. What is the difference between note-taking and note-making? Note-taking is when you are taking notes on material in class, on what a speaker is saying, on what is happening around you. While note-making is when you make notes on your thoughts, things you think you should study for or remember, your own individual thoughts or information that you recall and want to write them to remember or study. That's note-taking and note-making. Note-making and note-taking still is the process of writing down important points, arguments, facts, or ideas from a written material. Note making will be helpful in report writing and to relate to a written material for information. Efficient note making is important as it would help you to study on your own. Notes are supplementary to memory. Several points, ideas, facts, etc. get fixed in one's mind while note making. Hence, note making is important for the students in preparation for examinations. A good student remembers things. A genius writes things down. There are several ideas on how to take better notes. Let's read them one by one. Keep notes short to the point. Use sketches, phrases, and symbols. Listen for clues and write key points. Write quickly with abbreviation. Rewrite your notes after class. Be prepared with extra pens and paper. Always record the title and the date. Highlight things that are important. Save your notes on a safe place and review notes to help remember them. Always take smart notes. Note-taking organized, active, and ongoing. There are steps before, during, and after. I'd like you to go through with this one because they are very self-explanatory on what are the things you're supposed to do before note-taking and during note-taking as well as after the note-taking. For more information regarding this lesson, I'd like you to follow up with your Readers and Writers Notebook page 397 and then follow also the video link. This would help you understand perfectly, carefully, and clearly with our main lesson for today. That's it for today, grade 6 students. Thank you so much for joining me one more time. It's been my pleasure. Again, I'm going to repeat. For more clarifications, if you still find it confusing, go back with the lesson as well as with the other video links and it will really help you understand. And at the same time, start taking your pen and your notebook to start taking notes. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and God bless us all.